Dinosaur.
And I know it can be a little hard to believe because our dinosaurs went extinct millions of years ago, right? Bye, ladies.
Oh my god! I can't believe I'm meeting you in real life. What's up, man? You're awesome. What's up?
And 20 seconds.
Yeah. Walking the red carpet to Universal Studio Hollywood. So bizarre. Look at nobody here. Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Okay, today I'm in Universal Studio with my friend Rich Lux, and we're gonna explore the park and see what's new, what's exciting. Let's go, we're gonna have an amazing day. So when you walk into the park, you see this is a studio store, and right away you see Super Mario merch. Money grab. There's a lot of stuff here. Hey Rich. Okay. It's a Thursday and there's really nobody here. I don't come to Universal Studio a lot. Last time I was here is about maybe I would say 4 months ago, and it's like, wow, there's nobody here. So weird, so empty here. But I guess that's good, right? And there's the Cat in the Hat merch. So I'm not very familiar with all the character here, so this will be kind of new to check things out. Oh wow, this is the popcorn bucket. Hello. This thing is so cute. Gee, how do you even open this? Wow, that's popcorn bucket, and you get free popcorn. Wow, that's a better deal than Disney. So let's see what merch they have here. Oh my god, Minnie and the bunny is so cute. All the cuteness right here. You know, why is I got a feeling that their merch is better than Disney? It's cuter, way cuter. And there's nobody here. Did you see the popcorn bucket?
No, I didn't see anything. What is it?
Popcorn bucket.
I haven't seen Steve this excited in a while.
And you get free popcorn. At Disney, we have to pay.
Really?
Yeah, we don't get free popcorn.
But do you think this bucket looks cool? Do you like the design?
It's cool.
But it has
yeah, firecracker.
So this is that bucket.
Yeah, it says right there. Fill your million.
Wow, look, there it is right there. Chinese.
Yeah, it's very cute. I think their merch is better than Disney.
So let's go see if are there other Mario stores, right?
Yeah, there's more.
We'll go check those out too. Okay, guys, let's go find in here.
Oh, let's check it out.
So I saw it over there. These, they did not have these. See the figurine?
Okay. Oh, you love those.
Yeah, I like their plastic.
Oh.
Yeah, he's cooking. And they're using a Yoshi. This Yoshi one looks really cool, actually. Like, I don't really like Yoshi, but he looks really cool here.
So just look around. T-shirt.
See these. They're $16. We don't have these outside the
they're
park.
actually really
Outside
cute. Yeah.
Inside, they do have them, and they have extra little stickers for the car. Actually, they're really hard. I think they're magnets almost.
Very cute. Their merch is cute.
Where are these? How many Yoshis can you stack?
Oh, this was not out there.
Little plushies. Okay,
there's a wallet here.
The star wasn't out there either.
Yeah.
Is that a popcorn bucket?
That's a popcorn bucket, I think.
Oh.
It lights up. I think. I don't know.
But I see the green. I don't see the red.
So many cute things here.
Which one would you get out of all these?
Oh wow, that's really hard. I'll probably get. I like the mushroom.
Mushroom?
Yeah, I like white color.
I'll get this one.
Peach, but Princess Peach. What is that?
Chomp? Okay, let's go explore the store.
Okay, let's go. Let's go! Harry Potter World. There's not that many people here.
Harry Potter World.
Whoa. When is the next train going?
Oh, you've got to finish your exams first. Hogwarts Castle. Oh,
Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Whoa. What's going on? Magic. What is this?
Buckberry. Oh my god, that is so cute.
Do they cry, that baby? Love potion. Love potion. Yes. Valentine's Day's here. This is all you need. Just a couple drops of this.
Okay, you see his eye?
Yeah.
What?
Ah.
No, but what?
Oh my god. That's cute.
See, it says Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
Wow.
Welcome. Bags to queue right hand side. Bags to queue right hand side. All these items must go inside of a locker. These items cannot fly with you, friends.
Every time I come here, it's still pretty amazing.
Open the door. Right here, look. And there's a pet. Because when everyone, when everyone's at work, the pets are doing stuff. Here's our
Finds about a dog moves through the world and starts becoming a werewolf. Oh, it's so scary.
Dude, these puppies look super nice, don't get me wrong, but we can't possibly take in all of them. You in the back. No chewing the furniture. See, this is the kind of thing that won't get you adopted. People do not like to have their stuff chewed. Listen and learn, puppies. Look, we gotta find you guys a family while you're still puppies. We gotta remember whatever happens, I will forget about it.
Oh my god, we're gonna like the pet puppy.
Oh my God, we're gonna like That's so cute!
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
Oh, you and me.
Can we take one home?
Oh, the black one, yes. Let's go for daddy. Rich one! Very cute.
Leaving already?
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.